In this video, I'm going to show you how to check battery cycle count on iPhone. So first up, let's head on over to shortcuts, and uh, here is the shortcut for the battery checker, which will be included in the description below. So this shortcut is for us to be able to check our battery using this method. So let me show you. So first thing we need to do is we'll need to head on over to the settings and look for privacy and security, which can be found in the bottom right here. So click on privacy and security and scroll down to the bottom and look for analytics and improvements. So click on analytics and improvement and click on analytics data. So we will be looking for the data of our phone. So here is the analytics. What we will be looking for is the latest data. So for me, the latest data is May 5, 2024. So click on the latest date that you have and open it up. So once you've opened it, it will look like this. So click on the arrow button on the top right here and find the battery checker shortcut, which is in the bottom right here. Click on battery checker and it will open up the shortcut. So select the model that you're checking the battery of. So in this example, it is our phone. So click on iPhone and select the device. So for me, it's iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now just click on always allow, and here you will see your battery cycle count. So for me, it is 491, and that's about it. That's how to check battery cycle count on iPhone. If you have any question, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.